trying to feel like a news reporter right now, but I do have a news flash for you guys. News flash. At least it's a news flash for me and for my buddy Chuck. Chuck, look what I got right here. Look what I got right here. Look. Whoa, almost fell. Okay. I almost wouldn't be able to go to the news flash we're about to announce because I almost fell. Are you kidding me right out there? This is not funny, man. I didn't plan for that. Okay. All right, what does that say?
That says we're going to our C8 training.
That's right. First class just opened up. Chuck and I are going to be in that first class. It is, what is it, December 3rd and 4th?
3rd and 4th, yep.
3rd and 4th. We're going to be driving. You love working on these Corvettes.
Absolutely.
Now, bro, you'll get to drive them on the track.
Cool.
And I'm telling you what, we've been talking about Spring Mountain a lot lately, and it's pretty neat that we got this announcement today here on Veterans Day. All right. I'll tell you, the hands-on training you get there is unlike anything that I can even explain, but it's going to be an experience that we'll be talking about a lot on the vlog, sharing as much as we can on the vlog, but it's going to help you in working on these cars. It's going to help me in selling the cars and giving you guys some good feedback. I'm curious, with the engine in the back and being a 40-60 weight distribution, how that thing's going to handle on track, man. Woo! No, it's going to be awesome. I'm telling you what, looking forward to it. I'm glad you're going. This is just going to be something that it's going to be a thrill for us and for myself representing this car, but to share with you guys in the future that are getting ready to buy this car. Hey Rick, what do you think? I'm going to tell you what I think. He's going to tell you what he thinks, and he's going to be well versed in working on this car because we learned stuff out there that has never been like in printed data.
No.
The hands-on experience, I can't express it enough. What a great job they do at it. It's either Chevrolet putting it together or the marketing company. I mean, all those people at Spring Mountain that facilitate this program, bar none, top notch. But that's the big news flash for you guys. Chuck and I are going, we got booked. It was limited numbers in that too.
Yeah.
I was really worried because we booked it, and it's like, now you gotta wait for approval of your manager. And of course, our managers are in a meeting. And then they're in another meeting. It's like, man, could you push the button? It's like, yeah, it's okay. So we're in there. I want to let you guys know, and it's coming up sooner than we thought. And the biggest thing I wanted to do was do this training, number one, with him, but do it before the cars actually started being delivered.
Yeah.
It's so hard pre-ordering this car and getting ready for a car so far in advance. And I know many of you aren't used to that. I am. I've been doing this almost 25 years. It's all good. So just, I appreciate you understanding and just hanging in there. But yeah, once it starts rolling, which is very, very soon, it's just going to keep rolling. This guy, he and I ain't going to be able to come up for air at all, man.
No.
It's going to be good. So I'm excited. Dude, I'm going to fall on this floor. Okay. It was not planned for that. God, what is that on that floor right there?
Ball
like little tiny ball bearings?
Well, it's not ball bearings. It's
like
a
metal or something?
sandbag that they throw in tires to balance them instead of putting weights on them.
Okay. I don't like that. All right, you guys, we'll see you tomorrow for our quick tip from Rick. And we're gonna, hey, you gotta join me tomorrow. I'm also gonna do like an extension of the vlog. Remember I did the vlog when we came back after going for like 6 days last Friday, with Corvette logos in odd places. You guys actually did my homework assignment, sent in some really cool pictures of Corvette logos that you found in your home. I'm sharing that tomorrow with you guys as well.